Vastu Energetics proudly announces their certification as a psychodynamic radiesthesia consultant and H3 antenna trainer after a 1-year intensive training in various modules at School of Radiesthesia Argo 2012, Germany, the headquarters of the H3 antenna. This makes us the first and only individuals in Asia, India, to have achieved this distinguished certification wherein we are empowered to train people with the H3 antenna. We are the only source certified by Argo 2012 Germany to teach psychodynamic radiesthesia in India, which is their highest certification level. We are thankful to Sir Hartmut Littling and Madame Ingeborg Littling. We are the inceptors of psychodynamic Vastu in India. Knowledge seekers must watch the video till the end to explore more than 45 things what are taught in our intensive 2-day workshop. This workshop is essential for a diverse range of professionals who work with energy and space harmonization. Vastu Shastra consultants, Vastu experts, and Astro Vastu consultants will find the techniques invaluable for enhancing their practices. Astrologers, numerologists, wristwatch analysts, and graphologists can integrate these skills to offer deeper insights to their clients. Aroma Vastu experts, feng shui consultants, and healing practitioners will benefit from learning how to detect and correct subtle energies, enhancing their therapeutic outcomes. Interior designers, architects, and civil engineers will gain unique tools to create harmonious and energetically balanced environments. We begin by delving into the science of the H3 antenna, starting with an understanding of radiesthesia. This section covers the fundamentals, such as the different holding techniques for the H3 antenna, whether on-site, in enclosed spaces, or on layouts. We will also explore various professional handling techniques for detecting wavelengths in diverse situations and locations, including a unique grip and holding technique researched by us. The physics of wavelength is crucial, encompassing the polarization of energies, which can be linear or circular in motion, and the quality of these wavelengths. You'll learn how to detect various magnetic and electrical fields, sense acoustical and infrared radiations, and even detect the polarization of water. Understanding interfering fields and their effects is also essential. Next, we move to understanding geopathic stresses, including types such as the Hartmann grid, Curie grid, and water veins. We'll explore how to identify energetic spots that can be calming or stimulating, absorbing or emitting, and learn to quantify these energies. This section also teaches learn to detect the direction of incidence and intensity of geopathic stresses, measure the strength of planetary energies in space and humans, and assess the quality of energies in a room using the room resonance technique. For advanced techniques, we delve into energy detection and analysis. You'll learn to locate and measure the energies of the 5 elements, perform map dowsing on architectural layouts and interior design plans, and detect and quantify energies in all Vastu directions in a space. We also cover detecting and understanding various positive and negative energies or radiations in built spaces and plots, as well as identifying hidden energies and environmental aggressions. This knowledge enables you to create a Vastu zone plan and conduct a professional Vastu audit without visiting the site, producing a detailed energy analysis report for any space, whether it's an apartment, commercial space, factory, or plot. Real-time on-site learning includes hands-on dowsing with the H3 antenna and making Vastu reports for before and after corrections. Practical applications involve hands-on exercises using the H3 antenna and its accessories, teaching you to detect, correct, and protect against all types of geopathic stresses. Remedies like field alternation and repolarization convert harmful negative energies into positive energies. Special topics include understanding ley lines and creating a grid of positive ley lines in your Vastu, clearing Vedic Vastu doshas, and correcting ESA Prash and Vidusha Vastu doshas. You'll also learn to address all types of occult energies in humans or spaces, and correct paranormal energies without any tantra, mantra, or pujas using Vasta remedies. Detecting and correcting historical energies in any space is also covered. In the section on human and space energies, we explore detection and correction techniques, including identifying energies of bones beneath the earth and detecting the energy of the evil eye within spaces or on humans. You'll learn to detect human energies, chakras, and aura readings, and address various hidden or unspoken emotional, relationship, mental, and behavioral frequencies. Understanding the impact of the main door and how to make it energetically positive without demolition is another key topic, along with detecting objects radiating negative energies in any space, correcting zonal or directional energies in a vastu without breakage, and detecting the resonance of money or prosperity in any space are also discussed. Compatibility between human energy and gemstones, crystals, colors, aromas, medicines, numbers, wristwatches, wall clocks, and more is an additional area of focus. H3 Antenna. H3 Acoustic Sensor. H3 Infrared Sensor. H3 Yin-Yang Sensor. H3 Direction Finder. H3 Test Object Holder. H3 Test Connection. H3 Hand Electrode. H3 Nasode. H3 Mimosa Pendulum. H3 Glass Pendulum.